Alright guys, this is a short video because I really wasn't in the mood today to go out and do some filming. It's Sunday, kind of wanted to relax. Met up lunch with a friend who's in town visiting, and went to the vape shop with Bruce and hooked Bruce up. Bruce is a subscriber, and he's here in Angeles City, and he's been stopping by, so we got hooked up today, and he got hooked up with a vape. But anyways guys, I wanted to tell you, we got ripped off. No, we didn't. Our store didn't get ripped off. We didn't get anything stolen or anything like that, but we got ripped off. We got handed a counterfeit 1,000 pesos. Now on the 1,000 pesos at the top, let me get one out here, and I'll show you what I mean.
There, I have this. I have the fake one.
Oh, you have the fake one?
See that?
That's the fake one. All right. So on the real one at the top, right here, I don't know if it's going to focus. Let me try to focus. But either way, at the top here, where it says Republican of the Philippines, if you rub that, it's kind of offset from the bill. Then if you hold it up to the light, in the one corner, in the light you can see a photo of people, and then above it it'll say 1,000. Then you have this right here, which is, you know, a little shiny, like a little stamp or whatever they put on there. Well, everything matched up okay. Gotta make sure I don't grab the 1,000 that's fake. Also, I'll have it. This is the fake one. It looks very similar to the real one. Has a little stamp here, but if you look closely, it's more on the dark side. And if you rub the top, it actually stands out, so it feels real. When you hold it up to the light, it has the little picture of the people on it, but what's missing is the 1,000 number across the top, and it is slightly smaller than the original, or the good 1,000 peso. So yeah, we got ripped off today. Yeah, that's it. That's the black one. And if you can't, yeah, you can, if you look closely, you can look at it. But live and learn. They do go around. They do circulate around here, and we usually checks, but she didn't check because maybe she checked the top to make sure it was offset and everything like that, and it felt good. Had the little sticker. She might have even held it up real quick and seen a picture, but missed that 1,000 peso stamp above the picture. So yeah, we got ripped off.
You see it's a fake.
Yeah, it's a fake.
Because when you do this,
she says too, when you crinkle it up, it'll stay crinkled to where if you grab the 1,000, you crinkle it, it kind of opens up some. To where the fake one, like this is the fake one, like it crinkles up, like, so it's not the good paper. But yeah, we got ripped off. But like I said, I didn't go out and do any filming today. Sunday, wanted to kind of relax. I know a lot of people have said they wanted to contact me, or they want to get in contact with me. I opened up a Facebook page called Philly in the Philippines. So if you want to contact me, go through Philly in the Philippines Facebook page. It's not a Facebook, like a Facebook personal page. I created a page called Philly in the Philippines, and you can contact me through there. I hope it's set up right, and anybody that wants to contact me, like I said, just go through there. But anyways, it's nighttime here. I don't know, about 7 o'clock. Still got customers coming in, and it's been another good day. But yeah, I figured I'd share that with you guys real quick, that we got ripped off today.